Hello, welcome to our weekly order flow show with Robert Rother. So let me set up everything and please let me know if you can hear and see me. I think it should work fine. Already people here on Discord and YouTube. I'm going to start in a second. Hello Caesar, nice to see you again. Yeah, welcome to our weekly order flow show at 9 a.m. Eastern Time or 3 p.m. Central European Time every Thursday on YouTube and Discord. Hello Christian, hello. Yeah, for everyone who's new, please feel free to ask any questions and some words about myself. My name is Robert Rother. Next week, actually 1 week from today, I'm becoming 42 years old. And well, then we have a little celebration next Thursday during the live stream. I started trading at the age of 13, and at the age of 17 I set up my first investment company with two partners together. They actually taught me also the investment and private equity business. I sold my shares in that company, and in 2004 I moved to China, where I established a second investment company with a Chinese partner together. And at our peak time we managed over 100 million US dollars. I had a team of 30 traders and analysts in my company. Well, and if you are quite successful in China, then you get problems, and I was detained in May 2011 for outsmarting the Chinese finance system at that time. They did not like what I did. So they just put you in jail. In the next 7 years and 7 months, I was in Dongguan prison, Guangzhou. Oh, CGN Investing. Hi, Robert. Hello from Hong Kong. Best greetings to Hong Kong. I love Hong Kong. It's a great city. I spent so much time there. And well, I lived in Shenzhen, Hong Kong, and Macau. Yeah, this triangle. And yeah, well, then I was detained in May 2011, and I spent the next 7 years and 7 months in a Chinese prison, and I was released in December 2018. I was sent back to Germany, and well, the first thing I did was I wrote a book about my life story. It became a best-selling book in Germany. It's called Drachenjahre, or Dragon Years in English. Hopefully it will be translated into English soon. Right now I'm running two trading communities, one in German and one in English, and we are focusing on prop firm trading. Sorry, we are not finished here yet. Wrong button. So now, most importantly, if you cannot post frequently or regularly on YouTube, that is because you have to verify your Bookmap license on a Discord channel. You basically scan this logo, you register for Discord, and you go to verification, yeah. Here under verify, and you follow these steps. Then you can also get access to my Discord channel. Here you can ask frequently questions without any delays. And you get, of course, special features from Bookmap and special access to beta versions and so on. If you do not have Bookmap yet, well, actually you do not need to buy Bookmap for the people who want to test it. You can use, I will post here on YouTube my affiliate link. And you can sign up for the digital version, and you can try it on cryptocurrencies, and afterwards, well, if you like it, you simply upgrade your version, but at least you get the license key and you can register on Discord. Yeah, well, this is what I'm doing. Basically, the only thing I'm doing right now is trading prop firm accounts, and I'm receiving every 2 weeks from Apex my payouts on a regular basis. I already applied now for the next certificates. This is, well, how I day trade right now, and also in our community most of the people are very successful. They receive their payouts and their certificates within the first months. Yeah, I will also tell you about this later. But anyway, now the general disclosure: all Bookmap Limited materials, information and presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice nor recommendations. Trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So now let's have a look to the markets and here into the chat rooms. Hello Aksara, nice greetings to Indonesia. Rob the trader, hello, good morning. Tai, hello, best regards to the US. Also here Steven, hello. T, Rob Davis, hello in Discord. So basically you should know that we are in a news-driven week. Basically every day we have some sort of news coming out. And today we have to be careful. At 4 p.m. we have the ISM service PMI. Well, I'm not someone who's interpreting this news. Actually, I do not care what these news are telling us. Also, it's 3:45. This is also CE time, Central European time. Yeah. We have to be a little bit careful in our trading. Basically, do not be invested during that time. And of course, since I also just woke up, I'm living according to US time zones in Germany. We have to check the settlement price from yesterday. We can find this one on the website of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. You go to markets, you choose your markets. For me, it's the E-mini settlements. And yesterday's settlement price was 5,530. I'm going to add this here in my analysis, 5,530, and we can see this is here. So on the larger time frame, moving this one, we could see very nicely yesterday how the market actually went up to the anchored VWAP from the high here, and then we had another sell-off back to this lower limits here of 5,515, and we can see that we are actually moving right now in a range. Yeah. So a range has always one thing, sell the high, buy the low. Yeah. So again, here in this case, we are looking for short opportunities at around 5,530, 6 to 40. Probably also the settlement price here might be very interesting for short opportunities. And on the other side here, we are looking for longs. What is very important to recognize these days, and this is what is very difficult for most of the traders to realize, it's the volatility. We have a volatility spike during the last days, from 15 up to 21, and this makes trading a lot more difficult. Even for me, the last two trading days were not easy. I'm happy to take out a small amount of the market, small amount of money. But this high volatility is sometimes giving us headache here. I have to add another VWAP here at midnight. 1 second. And then we are switching back to Bookmap. This one. Call it the session VWAP. And then we also can see how nicely the market basically moves alongside the standard deviations, and in conjunction with some other support and resistance zones is very nice to trade here. For example, the 33 would be nice. And we had news here at 2:30, and this is also a place where we can add a VWAP. I call it the news VWAP. So now we're going to set up Bookmap. Well, right now I am trading here. What am I trading? One of a new evaluation account. I'm at 51,920. I just need like another 1,100 bucks. Then this is going to be a new member of my funded account selection. Let's see if we can achieve this during the next hour. So I have to reset all the VWAPs here. So this one should start at Today is the 5th. To adjust this, the session VWAP. The day VWAP. And this is the news VWAP. Today we have some at 4 p.m., but we also had at 2:30. Now it has to update a little bit. Looks fine. Oh, that is, I have to make a mistake, configure add-ons. Oh. I have to put in the correct date. Now we can see that it's a news VWAP, and we can see the market is basically touching the VWAP and has sort of reaction. So now we're also simply going to trade this. Again, the news VWAP, if the market comes here, let's see how many dips there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a very choppy market, yeah, and that is always difficult for trading. We can see it here, the order book is still very thin. We have a large order from 416 at the, exactly at the VWAP. $460 here. And another 421. So someone wants to get rid of some, or wants to buy a lot here. It's volume 600. Why is something going? Well, then we just place ourselves in front of that order here, and let's see what's going to happen. Could be a nice nice trade, just a scalping trade from here 9 ticks in this to this area. Still have 17 minutes to go before market opening. DB, hello, nice to see you. Well, if you have questions, feel free to ask. Brian Crowley, hello, best greetings to New York. So let's see if we can get a fill here before that big order. So don't forget to like here on YouTube if you enjoy the stream. This is basically the moves that I wanted to have, but we did not get a fill here, so we wait patiently in front of this huge iceberg order, and yeah, there is a lot going on here. Also here at the settlement price we can see some larger orders from yesterday. Well, market, well, quiet. Not exactly here before the settlement price. 530 could be also interesting. But we are waiting here, simply waiting until we may reach or get this order filled. But if the order did not get filled a couple minutes before market opening, then I'm going to take it out. Caesar, I found yesterday tough as well. The morning was very, very crazy with so many wicks on both sides and large ranges. Yes, Caesar, trading definitely not easy during these days because of this choppiness or the lack of liquidity. Same for me, I'm also struggling. Yeah, I have to be satisfied with small profits. Look here, what's crude doing? Have to load the data. Nasdaq. Well, now the market doesn't move, doesn't want to move at all. So for everyone who's new here, basically you can also register on Discord. I'll also can join Bookmap Discord channel, and well, here you can ask frequently questions, yeah, without any delays. You just have to verify yourself with your Bookmap license key and you are ready to go. Mark, hello, nice to see you here. Well, there's always karaoke with Wade Robert. Yeah, exactly. Can sing a little bit Robbie Williams. Yeah. So basically, the idea was correct. The market went into my direction, but well, we did not get a fill here. You want to see that, Ty? Oh shit! Fuck. There's my Lions Castle. It's developing, and my Imperial Starship, Star Destroyers also. Okay, now I have to find the Lego pieces later. Lego is always here at my side, yeah, to no. Here's this one. This big baby. It's really good, you know. If you build the bricks, you are busy doing something, but you still can focus on the markets, and you're not getting emotionally involved so much. Yeah, it's really it helps me to trade peacefully. Brian Crowley, what do the columns CLN, COB, SVP mean? CLN means cloud nodes. Yeah, these are basically external information that we import to Bookmap. These are settlement prices and option levels, so important price levels for us that can be interesting for trading opportunities like settlement prices. So I do not have to look onto the chart where I have these levels. I can import them to Bookmap and have a clear view here. COB means current order book. Here we can see the green one are the buy limit orders, and the red is sell limit orders in the book that we can see. So for example, here I place this order, my order, before this big order. We can see two things. We have 458 contracts as buy limit orders, and the blue line is a buy limit iceberg order, a huge one with over 1,000 size. So there are huge buyers here, and now we can see this order was taken out just now. This disappeared, so I also cancel my order here, because the idea is simply to stay in one tick in front of a big order. The market will touch here and go into the other direction. And since this order was taken out now, I take also my order out. And SVP means session volume, session range volume profile. So this is basically simple volume profile that we can see here on the larger frame, where at which level how many contracts were traded. So now market goes to VWAP here, and to this order we can play it in our mind. Maybe I would have gotten an execution here, I don't know, but only 36 were traded. Now I would have gotten a fill here, and if the market goes 9 ticks to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, here at 29.50, probably I would have profit. Oops. And my stop loss is 9 ticks on the downside. But since the order was taken out, my trading plan well, did not. My trading plan simply was not there anymore. So still a couple minutes to go for market opening. You could see 2 times the market touched the settlement price. Could also have been a nice short opportunity. So here would be my take profit, 29.50. Yeah, now I would have, probably this would be a profitable trade, yeah, touching VWAP, but since the liquidity disappeared, the risk was too high just before market opening. There will be plenty more opportunities in a couple of minutes. Could add maybe an anchored VWAP here. It's a low before a market opening to see if the market really wants to make a move to the upside. Then this is a good reference point here, and we can see the market touched this VWAP couple times. Now it's basically together with the event VWAP. So market opening, few seconds away. So market opening, now we wait what's going to happen, couple minutes. Basically, if you go here to the second standard deviation, it's always nice for a short trade. You place an order there. You can see sell limit iceberg orders coming into play. And in my mind, above here, these are short areas. I would not look for long opportunities here. Long opportunities only on the bottom side. Before, let's see the day VWAP. We have a VWAP here at 36. Well, I'm just waiting for this second standard deviation. Again, we can see if we look at the order book, only 2 digits. It's really tight, as thin. ZRM, how do we get the cloud nodes that you have? Well, if you want to get these cloud nodes, you have to become a member of our trading community. Yeah, where we basically every day trade, and yeah, then you get access to them. You can sign up for this. This is our trading community, everyday live trading like we do right now, and focusing on prop firm funding. And if you're a member there, then you get also access to this information. So now probably we got to fill now here and add the VWAP from the bottom and day VWAP. But the market probably doesn't want to. No, we are out. And this is the shoppiness of that market that now the market is moving, probably back into my direction. Yeah. Yeah, the market actually did what I wanted to do, but this is why I really difficult to trade. You just get stopped out by 1 or 2 ticks. Yeah, this is a volatility that sometimes screws with with your trading, with your trades or trade management. So again, on the upside, we try to catch a short trade here. We have VWAP and standard deviation. Again, we can see in this area, at the settlement prices, always sell limit iceberg orders coming into play. So some big players are not finished doing their business here. So we're going to try again. We'll put in, see, just trail the limit order. So let's see here if we can get the trade at the standard deviation. Actually, exactly here at the VWAP, this is basically a nice short opportunity here at 37. We still didn't get the fill. Oh, we wait these couple of ticks. Still always one tick before the standard deviation. Okay, now we are in. But the market, well, doesn't want it. No, the market goes basically. You can see always more and more sell limit orders coming in. Now are you also going now back into my direction? Just well, again, basically trade idea was correct, but the choppiness just kicked me out again by a few ticks. That is really. Let's try it again here. That is a problem with the volatility. You know, the idea is correct, your trading is correct, but then just with a couple of ticks, the market is screwing you. Let's see if we get another short opportunity here. So let's see if we can get another opportunity there. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them, yeah. And another 20 minutes left, in 17 minutes news release, and then we should be out of the market. So now we see the market is simply rotating here. In this zone, the people try to accumulate any position size to move the market in a new direction. Tai, when do you decide to add a new anchored VWAP typically? Basically, if I have important highs and lows, yeah, or resistance zones, and I see the market moves into that direction, and like this here, for example, we could add an anchored VWAP here. And it's a high of the day. We can see market is basically moving around this VWAP right now, and we could maybe add short positions here at the VWAP, but I'm trying to wait here for the standard deviation. But right now there doesn't make sense to add any anchored VWAP here because we are in a, okay, and again same thing, this doesn't want to add up. In and out very quickly, and probably then again going back to my take profit, yeah. But anyway, don't worry, this is only an evaluation account, so this doesn't matter at all. With my funded accounts, I'm trading very carefully right now, and because I know the market condition, yeah. So, and basically also moving now into my take profit. So you really have to learn how to manage when to trade and when not to trade. That is probably the key to long-term success. And I know in this situation right now here, doesn't make sense for me to risk too much on funded accounts when I see that we have this market condition. So you simply wait until the market condition is changing to my favor, and then I'm trying to trade then I'm continuing trading funded accounts. And well, in the meantime, I'm only trading evaluation accounts. I mean, that's the nice thing about these offers from prop firms. It really changed the way of how to trade and how to do business in trading. Mark, so 5 lots for an evaluation. You try to get there quickly if you can, Robert. Yes, definitely. I do not want to waste time, yeah, because I'm not getting paid for that. So either I pass then it's the job is done. And if not, well, why should I play around for days or weeks with an evaluation account? Only waste of time and money. And a lot of energy. Here on this order, maybe we can reduce the position size to 3 because we are getting tight to the trailing threshold. So now again, well, can we try the same prop for multiple times with the same account if we fail the evaluation multiple times? I just like to start test them. Yeah, definitely. You can, if you fail, you can reset the account, yeah, and continue trading. You just have to pay new. You can have multiple accounts, not only one. With Apex, you can have up to 20. So now, well, the first trade was the winner. Okay, it's a little bit better. I personally trade with Apex, Top Step Trader. You can also put a link here to Apex. And you should choose the 50K account for because they have the best risk to reward ratio. You have a profit target of $3,000 and loss trading threshold of $2,500. Yeah. So this basically this is some of my favorite accounts that I'm using for trading, and I can, well, it works quite well. Javier Sanchez. Hola, Javier. Well, I cannot activate the subtitles. Maybe one of the moderators can do that. Oh, we had this anchored, this day VWAP trade here. That was fine. Went in and out. That was basically how it should be. But we could also see the market just slips below the anchored VWAP and is very, very, yeah, choppy to trade. We can try another trade before for news release. Have to be careful. So let's see if we can catch another short move like this. That would be nice. Mark Saunders. Have you looked at the NQ evaluation accounts that are funded when you buy them? Have you looked at the N? You mean NQ evaluation? I don't exactly know what you mean, Mark. So let's see again if we can catch another trade at the standard deviation. And now we are trying to play it a little bit differently, since we always see that the market is basically running through this the VWAPs. Maybe I just place my order not in front of the standard deviation, maybe just behind the evaluation standard deviation. So we're not getting we have a larger stop loss basically. Also here a couple ticks below. So then you simply have to adjust a little bit your entry strategy if you have these choppy markets. So a couple more minutes and we have news release, so we have to be careful. Maybe we can catch this. Okay, and oh, don't tell me that I do. Oh, now I got filled. Let's see if this works out. Yep. Well, that was now. I only got one contract. Hey, I only got filled with one contract. That's annoying. The idea was good, but did not get my full fill. Would I have placed my order tick lower, it would have worked, but well, bad. So we cancel all the orders. We are just before the news release, so we have to be careful. See what's happening here again, but I'm not entering the market right now 4 minutes before news release. Is a little bit, even for my trading, a little bit tight. Yeah, moin. Do you use exhaustion? What exactly do you mean with exhaustion? Something like market sweep, or that's annoying. Only sometimes, you know, you have these days you're then simply unlucky. You can do what you want and it just doesn't work. And also important, if you trade with Rhythmic, do not place any order shortly after the news release. Wait at least 5 minutes before you place an order, because we really had many of our community members, and including myself, we have problems with Rhythmic just a couple minutes after news release. Your orders somehow will be delayed and you cannot modify them and you get bad execution. So really wait 5 minutes before placing an order. Now we can see here VWAP the standard deviation works very well, yeah. Or maybe I'm confident that I can still turn around this account today. So, and please leave a like here. It's on the YouTube channel if you enjoy it. And if you wonder why you cannot, or why you have a time limit between posting messages, you simply go to the Bookmap Discord channel and you verify your license key with Bookmap here under verification. And well, then you have access to all the chat rooms, and there you can post frequently. For example, you can still watch on YouTube, but you can chat on in Discord. So the news release will come out shortly. "30 seconds. Tai, thank you too. See you. So news release will come. Wait, that is now. Wait, you see, well, stay away right now. Don't do anything, yeah. Wait at least another 5 minutes. Still can see these aggressive buying orders coming in. What we can do is we can add a VWAP here. It's a news release. Also doing this in white. News. Call it event. Basically, the idea is now we see the market is definitely getting stronger to actually jump on this news VWAP. Use this as a support zone to find entry levels, but like I said, just wait 5 minutes. Do not place an order now. It can be, if you trade with Rhythmic, that you have some delays. We're heading now exactly to this VWAP here at 51. Settlement price at 53. Yoni Kim. How does the news impact your trading decision? News do not impact my trading at all. I only want to know when the news are released, and so that I am not invested. But what the result of the news is, really don't care at all. Has no decision impact on my trading. Since my trading style is very short term, I'm a scalper. I only care about the algorithms. What are the algorithms doing? And I try to figure this out and try to use them to my advantage. Yeah, that is a niche for me personally. Try to detect buying and selling pressure from algorithms. Yeah, I think not much is happening here. Then I would say we say goodbye for today. I wish you a nice weekend, and we see each other next Wednesday. Wednesday on German Bookmap channel, and on Thursday again at 3 p.m. Central European Time or 9 a.m. Eastern Time here on this Bookmap channel. And for all my community members, we are continuing shortly in our Zoom room, as you know. So see you again. And yeah, well, again, Dan also posted it verified today. I mentioned it a couple times. Then you can chat freely in Discord. So take care. Bye.